to study about submental vertex projection. Submental vertex view is also known as full axial or base projection or Schuller method. So this view is basically used to demonstrate base of the skull, plane and orientation of the mandibular condyles, curvature of the mandible, sphenoidal sinuses, lateral walls of the maxillary sinuses, zygomatic arch, foramina in the base of the skull, medial and lateral pterygoid plates, dens as well as occipital condyles. Now let's study about indications and contraindications of submental vertex projection. As I mentioned previously, this view is useful for visualization of entire base of the skull, and this is also useful to demonstrate destructive or expansive lesions affecting palate and pterygoid region, and this is also useful to study sphenoidal sinus diseases, and this is also useful in demonstrating zygomatic arch fractures, and this is also helpful in assessing mediolateral thickness of the posterior aspect of the mandible before osteotomy. So all these are indications of submental vertex projection. This projection is contraindicated in patients with suspected neck injuries, especially in cases of fracture of odontide process, because of the extended head position required for this projection. The patient should be placed in sitting position with the head extended as back as possible. Vertex of the skull should be at the center of the facet. Orbitomeatal line should be vertical and it should be parallel to the facet, whereas mid-sagittal plane should be perpendicular to the facet. Central ray should be directed 2 inches below the symphysis menti region and about 2 cm anterior to a line connecting right and left condyles through mid-sagittal plane towards vertex. And the central ray should be directed perpendicular to the orbitomeatal line and perpendicular to the facet. Based upon the direction of central ray, this axial projection is known as submental vertex view, because we are directing the central ray below the symphysis menti region towards the vertex. That's why it is known as submental vertex projection. Modification of submental vertex view is jug handle view. So here we are reducing the exposure time to demonstrate zygomatic arches more clearly. So this is all about submental vertex view.